Number 1, the function f is defined by f of x equals 8x. For what value of x does f of x equal 72? Anytime we are talking about a function with f of x equals blah, 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 what they're saying is, I'm going to give you a number x. It could be any number in the world. When you plug it in to this equation, when it says, like, what is f of 3? If f of x equals blah, 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 what is f of 3? It's saying everywhere there's an x on this side, you're going to put this number, in this example, 3, you're going to put it in. So here, when we have f of x equals 8x, let's make that a little darker, that blue, there we go, make it a little more visible. F of x equals 8x. If they were to ask what is f of 2, then we would take this little part of the function, the 8x, and everywhere there's an x, in this case there's only one of these x's, we're going to replace it with that 2. So replace that x with a 2 and we get 8 times 2, or 16. So I would say that f of 2 equals 16. So what they're asking is, f of which of these numbers equals 72? Is it f of 8? Is it f of 9? F of 64? F of 80? And there's two ways that you can look at this. You can just say, okay, just go down the list. What is f of 8? 8 times 8 is 64. That is not 72. All right, how about 9? What is f of 9? I plug it in there for x. 8 times 9 is 72. Oh, there we go. That's B. That's my answer. So the other way to look at this, which I think it's important to know this, because if you get a more complicated function, plugging in numbers may not be the best way to do it. So here when it says, when f of x equals 8x, what is x when f of x equals 72? Since f of x is 72, you can replace, go away, there we go. You can replace this f of x with 72. So let's do that. Since f of x is 72, all right, 72. And now it's just a simple matter of solving for x. When we solve an equation for x, we want to undo what's been done to x. Here, x has been multiplied by 8. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by 8. What is with these tiny, tiny little lines? There we go. I'm going to divide by 8. And because this is an equation, I have to keep things equal. I have to do it to both sides. So on that right-hand side, I've undone what's been done to x. So it's just now x. And 72 divided by 8 is 9. Again, get to the same end. Our answer is B, 9. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.